I welcome you back again to another awesome video lecture on Python programming for absolute beginners by Emenwa Global. In this video lecture, we are going to learn how to save our Python file for Python programs written with Python shell. Let's move over to our computers now and get started immediately. Okay, in the previous lecture, I was able to teach you how to print hello world, and I believe you've done that, and go ahead and check it out and make sure you are getting exactly the same thing like mine. If you have done that, go ahead and hit on File and click on Save, and this is gonna come up. You can save these inside the Python folder, which you created during installation, but let's go ahead and save that right inside there, and let's call this program 1, and this text with a Python file, and go ahead and hit on Save. Okay, you've saved this. Now, in case you want to run another Python file again, go ahead and hit on File and click on New File. And now you've created this. This is untitled. So I want to teach you something here. Unlike here, where we just created print hello world, you cannot just do that here exactly the same way you did in the previous one. If I go ahead and hit on print and type in print hello world, print hello world, and I click enter. This doesn't just work exactly the same way, you see that? But if it is here, I can just go ahead and type in print so this is print hello world, and I click enter, and this has been printed out for me. So now let's go ahead and do that here. It doesn't work that way. The reason is because you need to save your Python file. What you need to do now is go ahead and hit on File and hit on Save, and go ahead and name this. Let's name this file. Let's call this project 1 or anything you want to call that, and this text.py. So all your Python files will be saved with .extension py, and py means Python, alright? So that will make you to be able to retrieve your files next time in case you want to run your program again. But if you fail to put .py automatically, that will be installed for you. If I go ahead and hit on Save and look up here, you can see project1.py. Alright, and now I want to run my file. I take my mouse to run and hit on Run Model. And when I click on this, it will come over here and print it out. You see that? I can equally close this, and I'll drag this up. Go ahead and close this, and let's drag this up here and run this file again. Before that runs, I will tell you that it will automatically bring up the Python shell for you. Okay, so go ahead and run model, and this comes up, you see there? Hello world. So in this way, you've learned how to save your Python files, and all your files will be with .extension py, so that you can be able to retrieve your files anytime. So the reason why I made this video is because most beginners might not take this into consideration, and at that time they might lose their files and they will look like, what is going on? So I believe you've gotten the knowledge, and you can be able to save your Python files with .py so that you can be able to retrieve that. So go ahead and do that, and then run your file if you don't save your file. And each time you want to run a program, you're going to encounter a problem. Let's go ahead and check that out. Create a new file and call this print hello world, and go ahead and hit on run module. And you can see save before run or check. So you must always save your project. Alright, so go ahead and cancel this, and I'm going to cancel this. And do want to save this now because I have this I saved here, and anyone I write, let's go ahead and print and save print. Print, yes. Before I run this project, I must save this. If I don't save this, I can run it. Let's go ahead and check it out. Run. You see there? Source must be saved. Okay to save. So, can hit OK. And that is printed hello world. Yes. And that is what we have here. So, I believe this is really becoming interesting and you're learning something new. If you have any question under this video lecture, please try to use the question and answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.